Hi, if you would like to learn how to change your PC's background picture and the lock screen picture, you have come to the right place. First up, open Settings. Go to Personalization. Click on Background. Here you have different options. If you like to pick the one that's available, say you like to change to the solid color green, you can just click on green. Or you would like to have slideshows, then you can just go down and browse whatever is available in your folder. For the lock screen pictures, again you have different options here. Just go down to Browse and then pick the one that you like. After you are done, just close it. Now enjoy your new pictures. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.